In this experiment, you will use a spectrometer to find the index refraction of a glass prism. The main piece of equipment you will use is the spectrometer. The pictures here show opposite sides of the spectrometer. We will go over the parts. There is a mount for a lamp on one side, with a small set screw to hold the lamp in place. The lamp shines light into a slit on a fixed collimator. The light then gets refracted by a prism that goes here. The light then goes into the telescope, which focuses the light for your eyes to see. The telescope rotates and has a measurement scale so that you can quantify the angles at which you see light. Let's look more closely at these spectrometer controls. There are the controls for slit width and collimator focus. This knob focuses the telescope. These screws level the spectrometer table where the prism sits. The table should already be fairly level though. This set screw holds the table at a height of your choice. This is the fine adjustment screw for the table. This is the locking screw for the table. This is the fine adjustment for the telescope position. And there is the locking screw for the telescope. Note that the telescope locking screw must be engaged for you to use the telescope fine adjustment.
Let's also learn to read the Vernier scale for angle. Like other such scales, you need to add the coarse and fine measurements. You want to read the coarse measurement from the 0 mark on the Vernier scale. That's just past the 186 degrees mark on the scale. For the fine measurement, the Vernier scale is divided into minutes. There are 60 minutes in a degree. To get the fine measurement, you need to find the mark on the Vernier scale that aligns perfectly with a mark on the coarse scale below. You want to use the supplied magnifier for accuracy. The best alignment looks like it's at the 6-minute mark. So the total measurement is 186 degrees and 6 minutes.
You will use a mercury lamp as a light source for this experiment. It has a simple on-off switch. Note though that mercury lamps emit UV radiation, so we recommend that you use the supplied UV absorbing safety glasses when the lamp is on.